easy tip, it's looking forward. So when we jump through, or when we're going to jump, we're going to look towards where we go. We're going to look ahead. So rather than looking between our hands, we're looking ahead. Just like, you throw a ball or wherever you're deciding to go in life, you're going to look to where you're going to go. Same thing as jump throughs. You're going to look ahead, look forward. That's going to give you a nice rising action, but also give you a destination for your body. All right, let's get this tried. I'm going to ditch my glasses. Here, so simple. We're going to go into here a downward dog. And then we're going to look ahead and then lift the body up and through, just like that. Notice the whole time my eyes were looking right ahead. So here I am, nicely in position. Second tip, okay? Second tip, and this is a little bit more trickier, but being on our hands is really the critically important thing. Now that maybe it sounds a bit abstract, but this is what I mean. And, being on our hands in a way and pushing strongly, I should add. So pushing strongly so that our scapula, our back retracts, our shoulder blades are coming apart. We're pressing strong. Now, there's two real benefits to that happening. When we push strongly through, right, we gain some distance. So versus sitting, like dumping into your shoulders, we push through, we actually gain really critical distance here. We gain, even if we gain an inch or two, that's enough to help, often enough to help get our feet through. But it also gets us very active in our body. It starts to involve our lats and everything else. And you will find that as you push through, your body will naturally start to concave. Your stomach will start to concave, giving even more space for your legs to come in. So, again, we are here, okay? I am pressing strongly through. So again, I'm using my feet to propel my hips up and over, so nice and slowly through, like so, dropping down. Again, I'm lifting it through. All right, so here's some shortcuts. I'm gonna show you guys a few little shortcuts. This will help you kind of get familiar and comfortable with the program here. First little shortcut is what I like to call plank jump through. So you're in plank, okay? Here's a good spot. Practice pressing strongly and scapula apart. And then just sort of hop through. Just little hop through. It'll just kind of get the feeling of being on the hands and getting the body through. So just try that. Just try a plank, hop through. Another little tip for you guys. Secondly, towel. Placing a towel in between your hands, like so. You're pressing through, okay? Why does that matter? Well, because sometimes you might be at a point where you're gonna start dragging. That's fine. If you're getting used to it, you're gonna probably drag your feet a lot. Having a towel will kind of, help get the feet through a little bit. So you're not, especially if you're on a very sticky mat. One of the reasons why I like these cloth mats, nice and slippery, but if you get, you're putting a towel in between, you can drag your feet through a little bit. It will help you as you get more and more comfortable in the practice going through. So don't sweat it. It takes a lot of work, but one thing I know for sure is far and away the majority of a lot of yogis out there, very capable of doing it. It just takes some practice and also overcoming a bit of fear. The fear of like coming up, landing on your head. So practice like some of these little tricks and tips here, and we'll see you later.